Alright guys, this is the throttle body cleaner. I just got it from the market, and right, this is the throttle body, and my fourth this is my fourth car, so this is how you spray, right? So but it's, see that you cover your eyes because it pains. So I've already cleaned this, but just to show you that this is how you clean it. And this is the butterfly. See, you can see that it's very clean now. So I'm going to install this, and I'm going to check that, and we'll see. So this is the butterfly. Well, just dry it. See, this is how you do. This is how you clean it. There are some places that my finger doesn't go, so I have just used the toothbrush, or you can use anything in order to clean this. And this is, the cleaning is done. Okay, so I'm going to install this. I think this is the main reason why the idle was not stable. It was up and down. So here, this is the one. So cameraman, bring the side. So this is the sensor, but I'm not this time I'm not opening this. I believe that it's clean, so I'm just going to install this one. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. Just bend it a little bit like this, and this is how you do it. This is done. So these are not bolt, but there is a thread lock, but I don't have that. So if you guys have, then put the thread lock, because it will prevent the ball from coming out during the jerking or anything, So I'm going to cover this with some cloth so that the dirt doesn't go inside. And we're going to install this now. Before you tighten the bolt, try to tighten all the 4 bolts, and after that what you do is that you tighten the bolt cross. You tighten this one side, tighten like this, and then this side. This is how you do it. After that, you tie the other. Okay. So I'm going to torque the ball again, so just keep in order carburetor to make sure that the ball is tightened properly. So this is how I'm going to use. Now this side. The last time I could not make the video, I happened to clean the air filter. This is the one. So inside the air filter, the sensor is not. This is Ford Fiesta, so the sensor is this one. So in case if you guys want to clean the sensor, you need to take out the throttle body. So done. So what I'm going to do is, let me put this cloth inside so that. So this is the plug for the switch. Here is the switch. So just insert this one. Just push it. That's it. Okay, this is done. Alright, this is done. So now the last part is I'm going to put this one. This is the last part. Try to clean it a little bit with this. Sometimes it's difficult to put this lock, so what I will do is that it's difficult to put this inside. Okay, this is how you do it. So I'm going to put the lock later on. So this is how you do it. Okay, so just put it this side. Alright, see you guys. Thank you for watching the video.